Wanna know how to transpose your audio in Audacity, where you change the pitch without changing its speed? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. First up, open up Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now double click to select the entire audio, go to Effects, go to Pitch and Tempo, and then select Change Pitch. Here you are provided with a dialog. You can also change the pitch from keys as well as slider. So for the easiness, you can simply just change it through the slider. You can see the notes and the settings change as well. You can either make it higher or lower. Let's just go high this time. Alright, once you're done with the settings, just simply click apply. So here you can see how the waveform has changed a little bit. Okay, so here you can see the pitch has been changed, and you can see in the waveform as well. So the speed has not changed and the audio still remains the same. That defines transpose, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.